I want to buy some strawberries, and they've got really nice strawberries here. They're closed. Okay, they had a solution for that. It's the strawberry automatic strawberry cell thingy.
A vending machine?
Oh, okay, vending machine. And asparagus, but I don't want asparagus. How much is it? $3.50. One or two. Can I buy one or two?
Two.
Okay, I don't have small change, so I'm gonna take a tenner. And I trust you, I'm gonna put my wallet over here. Okay, put it in here. Eats it. Alright. I'll make this one. Thank you. And can I open another one? Yes. Thank you. Wait, hold it open. No, my strawberry. Yeah. So I'll put this over here. And I want my money back. How do you do that? Now I can still buy an ice cream. Okay. Isn't this awful? Isn't this awesome? Take two. Isn't this awesome? You are laughing at me, aren't you?
Yep. Dan kun je take 2 ook niet gebruiken. Take 3?
Isn't it awesome? Here. So there you have it. Dutch strawberry vending machine. I'm gonna go to the car now. I'm gonna come back here soon, and I want to pick my own strawberries, and then you can have strawberries with whipped cream and strawberry ice, a cup of tea.
Strawberry tea?
Probably.
Good.
Good.